Hi, Betim Berisha, BBI Autosport. We are constantly trying to improve the performance and personalize these Porsches, utilizing the latest technologies in manufacturing and design. A really good example of that is this 997 918 edition Spyder. We built this car for a friend of mine. He has 991s, GT3s, turbos, all that fun stuff, but his heart is with the 997 platform, which I agree, I love the 997. What his requirements were, I want to be able to daily drive it. I want to be able to go over 200 miles an hour on a closed course. And I want it to beat the 991s and 992s and all that fun stuff out there, but still have that earlier Porsche feel, about as early as you're going to get in a water-cooled car. So our objective was 1,000 horsepower, dial the suspension, the brakes, and really keep the styling of the car as it came from the factory. So here's the heart of the beast. It's a 4-liter that we bored and stroked, 1,000 horsepower. In order to get there, airflow wise, we had to increase the volume of the intake manifold. We had to then match that with fuel. The direct injection typically can't keep up with something like that in one of these cars without supplemental fuel. So we have port style injectors right here into the manifold. And the reason why we chose 3D printing is we're always constantly trying to find performance with utilizing the technologies that are around us. We're in the hub of aerospace down here, and there's a lot of fun technologies that we're even just barely getting into, but 3D printing, additive manufacturing is a big emerging market. Our very first prototype was billet, and it looked gorgeous, it was awesome. We still actually have this low poly look in it, which Dimitri came up with. On anything that's non-load bearing, we started doing this low poly kind of pixelated Nintendo look because we can, and we're 3D printing things, so it's fun, and it gives some brand identity without having a logo on it. The other part is that we're able to reduce weight, we're able to reduce manufacturing time, and especially on low volume stuff, when we're doing only 5 sets of these at a time, having it tooled up to have it cast and everything running such thick walls, it didn't make sense for it to amortize the tooling costs across the entirety of the project. So 3D printing has really helped us develop, reiterate, and design parts in a really short amount of time.